Today, we'll explore 5 groundbreaking AI technologies that are set to revolutionize the world as we know it. From transforming healthcare to reshaping our daily lives, these innovations are the next big thing in artificial intelligence. Number 1. Imagine a world where diseases are detected before symptoms even appear. AI-driven healthcare is making this a reality. Through advanced algorithms and deep learning, AI can analyze medical data from millions of patients to predict potential health issues. Personalized medicine is no longer a dream, it's happening now, with AI developing custom treatment plans based on your unique genetic makeup. Number 2. The future of transportation is here, and it's autonomous. AI-powered vehicles are set to dominate the roads, skies, and even the seas. These vehicles can navigate complex environments with ease, drastically reducing accidents and improving traffic flow. From self-driving cars to AI-guided drones, autonomous transportation is revolutionizing how we move. Number 3. Smart cities are the next frontier in urban development, and AI is at the heart of it. Imagine cities where everything is connected and optimized. Traffic lights that adjust in real time to prevent congestion, energy grids that distribute power more efficiently, and waste management systems that are completely automated. AI makes cities safer, cleaner, and more livable. Number 4. Creativity isn't just for humans anymore. AI is breaking into the world of art, music, and design, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. AI algorithms can compose symphonies, create stunning visual art, and even design buildings. These AI systems learn from the best human creations and innovate beyond them, offering a fresh perspective on what creativity can be. Number 5. Education is evolving with AI, making learning more personalized and accessible. AI-powered tutors can adapt to each student's learning style, offering customized lessons and real-time feedback. In the near future, AI could make education a truly global endeavor, bridging gaps between different cultures and languages, and providing high-quality education to everyone, everywhere. These 5 AI technologies are just the beginning. As AI continues to evolve, it will reshape every aspect of our lives. The future is not just around the corner, it's already here. Are you ready to embrace it?